In the previous video, we saw how to add the entry conditions for the 920 straddle. We will now add our stop loss and target conditions. In order to add the stop loss and target conditions, I will be using something called repair condition. So I will add a repair out here and I will select, and in my condition builder, I'll click on add and I will select a keyword which is traded instrument. Using this keyword, I will fetch the PNL of the call leg. So I'm selecting my condition type as entry, the field as PNL, underlying will be Nifty 50. I'll select my set as 1, condition as 1, and leg as 1. So this will look at the PNL of the call leg. Here I want to build a stop loss, so I will select less than, and out here I'll select number. So since I want a stop loss of 500 rupees, I will select my keyword as -500 and click on OK. I will also multiply this by the multiplier of the strategy. So in one of our previous videos, we have discussed about multiplier. We would suggest you have a look at that video to know better about what exactly is a multiplier. In addition to the 500 rupees stop loss, I can also keep a 1000 rupee target. So in order to build my target, I'll simply copy paste the same traded instrument keyword and I will use number, and within number, instead of -500, I'll select 1000 rupees and I will again multiply this by the multiplier. And this entire condition will be an OR condition. So if my call leg gives me 1000 rupees in profit or 500 rupees in loss, I will exit the call position and then I click on submit. After submitting this, I will add the position builder of the same. Here I want to buy, I want to square off my call leg and I'll select Nifty 50. My strike will be FX and expiry will be current week and quantity will be 1 lot. I'm selecting FX and expiry because I want to select the traded instrument which was my call leg. So I want to find the same the strike price of the call leg which was traded in my entry condition, and I will select my underlying as Nifty. I'll select set 1, condition 1, leg 1 and I'll click on OK and I'll click on submit. And I will add this position and I will close the position builder. So you can see my repair once leg has now been created successfully. So I have now built my target and stop loss for the call leg. Now I want to build my target and stop loss for the put leg, and my put leg is the second instrument in the entry condition. So since I want to fetch this particular instrument, I will now add one more repair condition. So I'll click on add and I will simply copy and paste these conditions that I had already generated and I will click on edit. Within edit, you see everywhere it has used traded instrument with number as 111. Since I want to look at the put instrument, I will click on traded instrument and I will change this leg number to 2 and that will look at my put instrument. Similarly, in the second row also, I will change the leg number as 2 to add my target and stop loss for the put instrument. I will close this and now I will add my position builder. I'll select exchange as NFO, instrument type will be put, underlying will be Nifty 50, my product will be normal, strike as I mentioned previously, I'll select FX and then I'll click on the FX button and use traded instrument. Within traded instrument, I want to fetch the strike price of the put leg of Nifty 50. I'll select set 1, condition 1 and leg number 2 and I'll click on OK and I will submit this. Then I will close this dialog box, select current week and lots as 1 and I will click on add. After closing this, my strategy is pretty much ready. I've added the repair once conditions, which are my targets and stop loss. In the next video, I will be discussing how to configure your advanced settings and the universal exit. So stay tuned for that.